Referee na naman ulit for the gang to the top. Gol by number 23.
Wala pa.
Napiliti. Pick up the ball. Underneath the basket. Looking again.
Balik!
Italia try from almost 6 feet away from the basket. Puro is nothing. Almost 10 minutes gone by. What a nice beating go play. Beautiful play there by no anything. Smoke blocking for his first part. He put it in the Number 8, number 3, that's a good shot. Back to the basket, shot, and very Jesus here. Load. Beauty penalty. Load. Body distribution on number 10. Come closer to the basket, get away from the ball. What a classic move. The skipping move from the tripod. Smart move there by that guy.
Ayaw.
Number 8. Score. Two remains by the leader. Number 16, pick up in rotation. Jordanina Banga, 3 first quarter.
Dagan!
Nadia Batpat, intercepted. What a beauty by the Yusuf.
Kahit kayo nagkamot.
On by the Yusuf. Number 3 now on the run. Suddenly, very crowded precision, using the ball. Able to convert using the ball for a nice 2 points.
Ayun do! Sancho.
Pick up to number 3. 23, get away from everybody. What a shot there by number 3. Keeping up. A very aggressive move. No quick drive there by number 3. Connecting. That's 2 points. Quick reply by the game. Third number 4. Pick up from number 27. Beautiful shot. Taking a shot. Using the ball. What a beauty there by number 14. Number 3 drop for Eddie River. Using the ball, connecting. Nice. That is good. Number 8, 1-on-1. Taking shot. What a beauty. About number 23. Now to number 23, 1-1-3. What a nice positioning there by the Joseph. Load, 1-1-3. That is the strong.
Dagan!
But repeat to the editor.
Poster.
Flying high, using the ball, he scored. 19-23 outscore. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Second quarter. 3-point bomb. Bangga, 3 points.
Grabe.
At the hard score, a 3-point bomb.
Ay na! Kasala ka.
Number 8. Using the ball, 3 quarter, 43.2 seconds. In the first one, a very beautiful attempt.
Ay. Patay na. Poster na.
Diyan, meeting Sunday. Very good shot.
Counted
Ang pag-ibig, again on the offensive.
Foul.
Beautiful shot. No foul is scored.
Pero check na buklay.
Offensive rebound, number 3.
Oh! Ano? Marlo?
Now he was picking up the play.
Marlo, buinas ki Marlo.
Back to number 3. Team second to shoot.
Ano?
Number 50. Number
Ball!
He can try for the good looking guy, the king, stroking number 5. Wow, 1 out of 250. For the team, double team.
Blackan.
The perfect block. What a very nice double team in defense. Villa. So, what a beauty there by the white. Number 8, making it move, the high scoring guy of the team. Designed for his MVP award tonight. Another nice 2-point place by the blue shirt.
Sige lang!
Number 10, singing the return. Para the double by number 10.
Matay di sekolah dah.
4-point play. 10 seconds remaining for this quarter. Number 3. From the white and red shirt, Kanchi dribbling behind the back underneath. Turn around, 1-1 play. What a shot there by the number 10. Number 10, rookie.
Hangyo.
Quick reply, the number 10, 3 points.
Nagsugod na. Nag-ukoy na si Marlo. Hoy! Buklay! Buklay! Nice ka!
Number 5, Mr. number 10.
Pull up.
Ang quarter to the back. Can anybody more this?
Patay!
Wow, beautiful player. My number, Nansol. Tinggan ke mati. Another in a bangga 3. This very shot by red and white.
Nag-unay. Ilaro dua.
Number 10. What a very nice keeping go play.
Pwede pa yung iba. Mag-insa gitu. Wag yun. Babok.
45.
May babok na eh.
Nah, bisa apa kan?
Gitsa ba gitu? Score ba gitu?